Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of the Project Showcase series. Today I will be showcasing a password generator program that I made in Python. It generates a random and secure password. But first, here's a different version of it. This program takes a string or a name, as you can see here, and appends 4 numbers to it. We can make it more or less numbers if we want to. It also capitalizes the name, so it's more secure. I'll just show you a quick demo. Enter your name. Okay, my McCultic. The password is McCultic8368. Nice. Let's try with other numbers. So 7, I guess. Enter your name. McCultic. Okay, it also capitalizes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and yeah. So this was this one, but this is not the program that we are going to be looking at today. The program that we are going to be looking at today though is this one. The current functionality of this program is that it generates a password containing 6 lowercase letters, 2 capital letters, 2 symbols and 2 numbers that equals 12 characters in total. This is highly customizable too if you are wondering, so that's nice. First of all, we'll just import the choice and shuffle functions from the random module. They will help us later on. Then we'll start by defining a lot of lists, 4 to be exact. Lowercase letters, uppercase letters, numbers and symbols. Here's a neat trick that you can use to make a capitalized list. First of all, we just have a lowercase list. Then what we do is we make a new list, and for every item in the lowercase list, we can append it by capitalizing it first to the capital letters list. That's nice. Saves a lot of time too. Here's the num list, the symbols list. Then we will just create a empty list called password. This is going to be our final password. So we will loop around this 6 times, as you can see here, and a letter is going to be choice letters, which basically just means that we are going to randomly select a letter from all of these lowercase letters, and then we are going to append it to this empty list. The same we can do with the capital letters, the numbers and the symbols. We did this 6 times and the other ones 2 times only. Oh right, we also have to convert the number to a string to avoid a type error later on in line 39, as you can see here. Why do we need to do this? I will explain it shortly, okay? Then if we just print the list right now, so let me just comment this out. If we just print the list right now, the password is going to look a bit weird. The password is RQLMSV capital B capital G 31, these symbols, and of course the full stop is not a part of the password. Now the problem with this is that all of these numbers and letters and symbols are bunched up together, so this on one side, this on the other side and so on. We don't want that. We want it to be more secure, so we'll just randomize this list. We can use the shuffle function from the random module, which will just jumble up the list. Now let's run the program. Lot of lists. Right, as you can see, we get a completely randomized and shuffled list, so that's really important if we want to create a secure password. Now what does this thing do? What this does is that we have a list called password and it contains elements, 12 to be exact. Now what this does is the join method, it takes all of those elements, separates them by nothing. In our case, now it's a space, it could be an underscore, whatever, right? I have done nothing, so it's a single string without any spaces, and it joins those elements into a new string which we have just named password again, which is now a string rather than a list. So if it's A, B, C, F, whatever, then it will be A, B, C, F in a string rather than elements of a list. This is a really useful method that we can use to convert lists to strings. Your password is password. This is self-explanatory. Now another thing. I said that we need to convert this to a string to avoid a type error. The reason is that if we try without the if we try to do it as an integer, it will give us an error that says that this is not a string, and the join module can only work with strings. Okay, yeah. Sequence item 2, expected string instance integer found. Let me just fix that up real quick. Yeah, so that's basically it. But as I said, we can also customize this to our liking. So let me just change this to 4 capital letters, I guess 8. We can also do 0, but in this case that doesn't make any sense. 9 numbers and 1 symbol. Sure. Let me run this. That's a total of 22 characters, I think. Yeah, if you want to count that, feel free to do so. That's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Please leave a like below if you do so. It helps me out a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with another video soon. Peace.